Smiler.
Smiler.
How are you? Hey, Mama.
For me, yeah, we can go, but for the time that you kept him here, that last few days, we're not able to cut his leg. I don't know who will be here with us. He's such a handsome boy and a happy boy, so I am always happy to see him, and my wife too. We are very, very close. Very, very close. I can't wait for you to get his prosthetics. Yes.
His condition was very poor. He was helpless. The boy cannot do anything. So we brought him here. The leg was very bad, that the leg has swollen to the extent that it was even bigger than the whole body. The guy cannot do anything. He can't do anything. He was helpless until the savior came to him, the leader of the new force. In fact, I thought it was a dream. He said, no, you allow aircraft to come to Nandom and elect the boy. Lo and behold, the aircraft landed. And the boy was taken to Accra, Kolebu, straightforward. So that's where they commenced the treatment. The surgery was done suspect. And then the doctors who were on my son, we can't count them. And the consultant doctor was at London, just because of this boy.
Wow.
I just want to thank Shada. Such a man, he's a leader. You can entrust Ghana to. When he promised, he delivers. Of what I have seen. Thank you very much, Mr. Shada. That is not all. He has secured a visa to a little boy.
Wow. Wow.
To fix the prosthetic that is artificial leg.
Wow.
Then any moment from now, the mother veterans will be ready. So he'll be flown to London to fix the leg. I just want people to help me thank Mr. Shada. Whatever you want, may the Almighty Allah give it to you. You are the man you should give Ghana to lead us when he promised he delivers. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much of Nandom, the family of my friend and my son, you know, and I also want to use this moment to thank my wife that throughout the process, the visa and all of that, you know, she was there and supporting my dear friend and the mother. But mostly, I also want to thank the mother for the courage that she had that this boy was not going to die. That also made us all believe that, yes, he's meant to be here with us. Today, I want to say I'm very happy to be here. He's given me a reason to come here. I didn't know that I would be standing for president one day when I was doing what we were doing for my dear friend. Genuinely, I had never been to Nandom. I didn't know anything about Nandom. I've never met the mother or anyone. But when I saw his leg and when I saw the tear in his eye, it felt like my own tear. His pain felt like my own pain. I had no choice. I had to do whatever it takes to get him to Accra. And I think he belongs to you people, but he also belongs to us as a Ghanaian. And since I didn't know anyone here until I met him, now I feel like everyone here is also my family. And that's how we should be as a country. We should stand for each other and we should be there for each other. You never know where the help is going to come from, or where the love is going to come from, or where the people that will really make your life go on is going to come from. As long as we believe that we're going to stand for each other would have stance when it comes to us being together. And that's what we need as a country. That's what we need as a nation. I encourage all of you to have this sort of mind and this kind of hearts. Not just the heart of doing things, but the heart of giving to people, just so happiness can be within us. I am so grateful, and thank you very much, you know, for you to give this speech. I haven't met you yet. It's the first time. I was waiting to meet you in Accra, But what you have said, you know, I want to say that I'm grateful to hear these words from you. They were great words, and it's encouraged me and encouraged the people. I also want to use this moment to thank the hospital. Although he was here, you guys took care of him. And I know that the amputation couldn't have happened here, but I want to say that thank you for keeping him alive till the time that he had to go through this operation. You know, let me use this moment to also acknowledge our incoming vice president that came with us, of course, and my wife hopefully would also become the incoming first lady. Do you like her? Do you like them? Yes, the people of Nando, I don't know, I'm now your family and you're also my family. Besides that, I think the entire Ghana, I see as my family. The country and how we should like each other, love each other, and stand for each other is what I want to preach. That's why I'm standing for the youth. I believe that we can create a lot of jobs amongst ourselves, a lot of economic prosperity amongst ourselves, and we can bring ourselves out of this slavery. We can also expand the hospitals. So tomorrow, if someone is in the same situation as my dear son here, they're not going to have to be flown all the way to Accra before they can. To cut your leg is a very, very, very painful thing. The reason why I love this boy is because I feel like his courage matches up to mine. He was not worried about his leg going off. He really respected that if you have life, it doesn't matter. Whether your hands is not there, your leg is not there, life is meant to be cherished. And he still smiles, he's still a happy person, nothing troubles him. This is the kind of Ghanaian we need. This is the kind of Ghanaian we need. Nothing should bring you down. Nothing, nothing. Whatever they do to you, don't let it bring you down. Be happy, get up with a beautiful soul, wake up in the morning, still love people. You know, this young man, some footballers were coming to meet him, they're my friends. And when he was going to them, he wore a t-shirt that said my name behind it, and wore a cap that said my name behind it. And he was telling them the message that I know that you're a star, you're coming to see me, but this man saved me. So this is the kind of Ghana that we want, and the kind of people from Ghana that we want. Young people with courageous hearts, with beautiful soul, clear conscience, appreciative, loving their people and respecting their people. If you are a young man or a young woman and you have these qualities, please, whether your hand is off, your leg is off, whatever that is off your body, the value of you as a human can sometimes not be compared to 1,000,000 losers. We need to be this kind of strong young people, and I'm urging all of you to use this story to uplift yourself. Because if you have two legs and you have a problem, and your problem is bigger, and this young man here has one leg, but he's happier, then your problem is really big. It's really, really, really big. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because he's happy. He's still...
Can I look on one too?
in which he was left. So that's the female.
And it's not like we didn't have the best of hospital here for you. This is like it got to the point that he needed, you know, a higher surgical operator. And so that's why, in the end, I even thought that he was supposed to go to Koforidua, but the last minute we decided that he would be in Accra. And I think the people in Accra also helped. I'm very grateful. The army also helped, and everybody contributed. I'm so grateful for, you know, the army also supporting us, the doctors, everybody, like you said, his father was saying, you know, people were very supportive. I think that's because he's loved. Yeah, so people, this is it. I want to say thank you to you guys before I leave, and I wish you guys so well. That this hospital should grow bigger, do better. Move from there.
Money from this hospital.